Building your dream. Shed, easier than you think. Have you always wanted a shed? Maybe you need more storage space, or perhaps you dream of a workshop. Building a shed might seem daunting, but what if you could build one yourself, even with no experience? It's possible. With the right guidance, you can build a shed in a weekend. You don't need to be a master woodworker, you just need a plan. A good plan guides you every step of the way. It makes building a shed easy and enjoyable. This is where Ryan's Shed Plans comes in. These plans are designed for everyone, especially beginners. They help you build the shed of your dreams with confidence. Ryan's Shed Plans offers a wide variety of shed designs. You can choose from different sizes and styles. Whether you need a small garden shed or a large workshop, there's a plan for you. These plans are not just drawings, they are complete guides to building your shed. They come with everything you need to succeed. You get step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. The plans also include detailed materials lists. This takes the guesswork out of shopping for supplies. You'll know exactly what you need and how much to buy. The best part of Ryan's Shed Plans is the step-by-step instructions. They are designed for people with no prior experience. Think of it like assembling building blocks. Each step is clearly explained and illustrated. You won't find yourself lost or confused. The instructions break down the building process into manageable tasks. You'll be surprised how quickly you see progress. With these plans, you'll be able to tackle each step with confidence. You'll be guided every step of the way from laying the foundation to attaching the roof. Have you ever started a project only to realize you're missing materials? It's frustrating to make multiple trips to the hardware store. Ryan's Shed Plans eliminates this headache. The plans include complete materials lists with precise quantities. This ensures you buy everything you need upfront. No more wasted time or unexpected trips. You'll be able to gather all your materials in one go. This saves you time and allows you to focus on the actual building process. Section 5. Visualize your shed in 3D. One of the challenges of building anything is visualizing the finished product. Ryan's Shed Plans makes this easy with three-dimensional CAD drawings. These drawings provide a clear view of the shed from all angles. You'll be able to see exactly how the shed will look before you even hammer your first nail. This helps you avoid mistakes and ensures you're happy with the final result. The three-dimensional drawings also help you understand the construction process better. You'll be able to see how all the pieces fit together. Section 6. Bonus material to enhance your shed building journey. Ryan's Shed Plans doesn't just give you the basics. You also get valuable bonus materials to enhance your shed building experience. These bonuses provide expert tips and tricks. You'll receive a guide on advanced woodworking techniques. This guide teaches you valuable skills that go beyond building a shed. You'll also get a directory of suppliers for sourcing materials. In addition, you'll have access to hundreds of other woodworking plans. This gives you endless possibilities for future projects. Section 7. Your satisfaction guaranteed. Ryan's Shed Plans is confident in the quality and effectiveness of their product. They offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with the plans, you can get a full refund. This guarantee gives you peace of mind and risk-free purchasing. You can try the plans with confidence, knowing you have nothing to lose. Ryan's Shed Plans also offers excellent customer support. If you have any questions or need assistance, their team is there to help you. Section 8. Start building today. Building your own shed is a rewarding experience. It's a chance to learn new skills and create something with your own hands. With Ryan's Shed Plans, you can achieve this dream in a weekend. Don't wait any longer. Order your set of plans today and begin your shed building adventure. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Section 9. Enjoy your new shed. Imagine the satisfaction of stepping back and admiring your handiwork. Your new shed will not only enhance your property but also provide valuable storage space or a dedicated workspace. You'll have the perfect place to store your gardening tools, outdoor equipment, or even create a hobby area. Building a shed is an investment in your property and your enjoyment.